Hi children, good morning to all. Welcome back to your English online classes. I am Asha, your English teacher. So we have completed our 7th chapter. What's the name of the chapter? Yes, playing in the park. And we have discussed the new words and 2 question answers. And in the grammar topic we have discussed articles. That is the use of a or an. When will we use a? Yes, before the consonant sound we can use a. And when will we use an? Yes, before the vowel sound we can use an. And we have discussed how to use the punctuation marks like capital letters and full stop. Whenever we start to write any sentence, the first letter should be in capital letter, and if the sentence is completed at the last, don't forget to put a full stop. And if it is a question, we can put a question mark at the last. And we have discussed the textual activities and the worksheet regarding these grammar topics. I hope all of you have got this workbook, is it? So today let us discuss the workbook, page number 13 and 14 in connection with this chapter. So let us discuss that one now.
Lesson 7, Playing in the Park. The first exercise A. Complete the sentences using a or an. Here they are given 4 sentences. I will read one by one. The first one, I eat toast and an orange for breakfast. Second one, Nagma's uncle is dash actor. Third one, Auntie has dash rabbit. He also has dash parrot. And the fourth one, Payal is dash dancer. She is wearing dash beautiful dress. So we need to complete these sentences using the articles a or an. The first sentence they have already done, that is, I eat toast and an orange. After the blank, the word is orange. Orange is the word starting with the vowel sound O. So we have used an before orange. So we can read the sentence, I eat toast and an orange for breakfast. And the second sentence, Nagma's uncle is dash actor. Here after the blank the word is actor. Actor is the word starting with the letter A. A is a vowel sound, so before that we need to use an. So we can write here an. So the sentence, Nagma's uncle is an actor. And the third one, Andy has dash rabbit. Rabbit is the word starting with the letter R. R is a consonant. So before that we can use A. So Andy has a rabbit. He also has dash parrot. Parrot is the word starting with the consonant sound P. So before that we can use A. So we can write the sentence like this. Andy has a rabbit. He also has a parrot. And the fourth one, Payal is dash dancer. Here the word dancer start with the letter D. D is a consonant sound, so before that we can use A. So we can read it like that. Payal is a dancer. She is wearing dash beautiful dress. Dash beautiful. Here the word beautiful start with the letter B. B is a consonant sound, so before that we can use A. So we can write the sentence like this. Payal is a dancer. She is wearing a beautiful dress. So we can read one by one. First sentence, I eat toast and an orange for breakfast. The second sentence, Nagma's uncle is an actor. Third one, Auntie has a rabbit. He also has a parrot. Fourth one, Payal is a dancer. She is wearing a beautiful dress. Let us discuss the next exercise B. Look at these pictures. Write the correct words from the box. In the box they are given 4 words. They are bored, afraid, happy and sleepy. And below they are given 4 sentences and we need to complete the sentences using the words. After look at the pictures. The first one, look at the first picture. She is a girl. Her name is Hema. She is afraid. Okay, she started to cry. Is it, children? So the first sentence, Hema is dash of the dark. Hema is dash of the dark. In the bracket they are given the words bored, afraid, happy and sleepy. So which word is suitable here? Yes, afraid. So Hema is afraid of the dark. What is spelling of afraid? A-F-R-A-I-D. Afraid means scared. So the first sentence, Hema is afraid of the dark. And the second one, he's a boy, his name is Ritesh and he felt sleepy. Is it, children? The second sentence, Ritesh played with his friends all morning. Now he is dash. Ritesh played with his friends all morning. Now he is dash. Which word is suitable there? Yes, sleepy. So Ritesh played with his friends all morning. Now he is sleepy. And third sentence, Hamad has nothing to do. He is dash. Look at the picture. You felt he is bored? Yes, Hamad has nothing to do. He is bored. What is the spelling of bored? B-O-R-E-D. And the fourth sentence, Nisha is wearing her new frock. She is very dash. Nisha is wearing her new frock. She is very, which word is suitable here? Bored, afraid, happy or sleepy? Yes, happy. What is the spelling of happy? H-A-P-P-Y. So the sentence, Nisha is wearing her new frock. She is very happy. So we can read the sentences once again. First one, Hema is afraid of the dark. Second one, Ritesh played with his friends all morning. Now he is sleepy. Third one, Hamad has nothing to do. He is bored. And the fourth sentence, Nisha is wearing her new frock. She is very happy. And now look at the last exercise. See, write the words in the correct order to get complete sentences. Here they are given some jumble words. We need to arrange the words in a correct order to make a meaningful sentence. And don't forget to use the capital letters and the full stop. The first one, place, yash, evening, every. How to arrange these words? Yes, which word is starting with the capital letter here? Yes, yash. So yash plays every evening. Now it's a meaningful sentence. Yash plays every evening and at the last full stop. And the second one, father for dinner, noodles makes. Father for dinner, noodles makes. How to arrange these words? Yes, father makes noodles for dinner. Father makes noodles for dinner. Then put a full stop. Third one, I too by bus school go. The words here they are given. I too by bus school go. How to arrange these words? Yes, I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. Fourth one, I like teddy bear. I like teddy bear. How to arrange these words? Yes, I like my teddy bear. I like my teddy bear. And the fifth one, Chennai in Pramod lives. Chennai in Pramod lives. How to arrange these words? Yes, Pramod lives in Chennai. Pramod lives in Chennai. Chennai is a place's name. That's why here they are written the first letter of the word Chennai C in capital letter. So we can write the sentence like this. Pramod lives in Chennai. I will read the sentences once again. First one, Yash plays every evening. Second one, father makes noodles for dinner. Third one, I go to school by bus. Fourth one, I like my teddy bear. Fifth one, Pramod lives in Chennai. I also attached the answer key of this worksheet. So children, you should complete the workbook page number 13 and 14. And at the same time, you should read the lesson and write and study the new words and the question answers.
and try to do more worksheet regarding these grammar topics, punctuation marks, capital letters and full stop, and the articles, the use of a or an. We can meet in the next classroom. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.